we are going to be opening butter small one. And it's really all. Look at me. So I got this from Target. It's really cool. I've only opened 3 in the car. Just put it back so I can show you guys what it looks like. I put in this one, I opened this one, and this one. I haven't opened the other 6 yet, so let's do that. But first, I'm gonna put this pillow so I can put you guys on. Beautiful, and then we get pillow, and then what I call my sunglasses. Whoa, the white looks like gray. If you guys want to join the giveaway, put it down and then go to. I'm kidding. I don't know what to do for the giveaway. But make sure to join my Roblox. Follow me on Roblox. My username is GusGusDavis. GUSDUS. And then THEBES. So let's open this. It's pretty big. There's 9 for the price of $10. Yeah, $10. I think. Yeah, $10. Let's take this little spoon thing out. I'm gonna try the one I tried. Let's see what am I saying. These are the order. I tried this one. And this is the milk and cookies, the jelly beans, and then we have the chocolate. They're all scented, they're not edible. Let's set these to the side, and let's try it. So, well, this one really sticks to the box. Wow, it's sticky, but like it didn't stick to the bag. How long like that? Yes, these came in the bag, but I don't know which one in the car because I was like, I didn't know wait. I didn't have you guys before, so yeah, it's just oh, that was perfect. No, this is all we can get out, but I'm trusting y'all. What am I saying? Guys, I trust you. This is more than this. But it smells really good. Yeah. I know you guys can't smell it, but just try. Yeah. I'll just go get my cookies. Your fault. Yeah. That was the knuckle cookies. The used one are gonna go back in here. So now, oh, first we have the milk and cookies. Beautiful. Got by York. We have the jelly bean. Wait, this is plastic, but I think it'll work. This is like ice cream. And next we have, it's a really good consistency. And guys, there's more than this. Okay. smells so good. You want to try to smell from the camera? Give that. Wait, it looks so much different. It's like so much lighter, y'all. Let me take a picture. It does not look like that. Look at that. It does not look like it. How was it ordered in 5 minutes? And we only got like 5 2 seconds. It's really cool. Let's see. It doesn't stick. Good. What about that? How doesn't stick? But you put a lot of this there. Wait, we'll make a satisfying pop. That's so cute. We'll make a satisfying pop. That's cute. Let's try to make that photo. Totally. Yeah, it's not gonna make it. Anyways, next. Well, I'll just put this one for that. Next, we have the chocolate, and this is gonna be the last one that I use. And then we have all of these that I haven't opened yet. Oh, that's satisfying. Let me just stop. Just tolerate it. And the champagne pop should have been so lovely. And then she doesn't know what she's stuck in. She would have been so lovely. But then she's just stuck. You know. Should have been so lovely. But then she just stuck it, This was probably got the most up. Like, I feel like get all of it out. Actually. Oh, yeah, I can't. I'm getting everything out. Stop. Okay, I got it. She would have made such a lovely night, and then she just in her. She would have made. When you just tolerate. Guys, when I get back on the channel next week, my hair's gonna be so different. Try to guess what I'm gonna get. It's Taylor Swift, not Taylor Swift tickets, but with my hair. Taylor Swift, that's your hand. Stab it. I'm gonna do a ball. And I'm gonna go. Finally, we're gonna go to the cupcake. Let's open. Oh, it's like we'll get this out of the bag. Go back. So we got like the bag part, I think. That's the thing on it. I think this wasn't so too good. Oh, I don't know. Oh, no. Oh, that's all we could get out. Oh, that's like a hot. Yeah, I don't know. It smells like the jelly beans. Yeah, I'm gonna get this slime. Stop accepting those other things. Well, I'm just gonna put it inside and then close my eyes. Like, I'll even put this one. That's for proof. You guys see my eyes? And then wait, look at that. Come here, fish. Let's take all of these. Alright. And open the green fish. It's like the same color as the jelly, but it's really not. Oh. What's in here? It's one of those. I'm not gonna be more careful. You will make no mood. When am I gonna be It's a really good consistency. I'm gonna make it pretty good. But like, yeah. I mean, it's okay though. Right? I mean, it's good, but like, anyways, let's close my eye. Put this on, and I want this one. No way. We got the good one. We got the gummy one. Guys, look. Can you see my eyes? Wait. Doesn't everything sad? Those are his glasses. Well, I got from this side. Anyway, yeah, see more couple and what's going on right now. So let's open it. I'm probably gonna start. Can you see that? That was crazy. It opens from the top though. I'm gonna. Or this is like, this is all the. It smells so good. You guys need to go get this right now. This is what it looks like. No. Matty's out. We finally got a clean bag. Let's go. It smells like good. Wow. Oh my god, that smells so good. I'm not kidding. Smell it. Look at that. Look at that. Smell it. It smells so good. Wait, let's scoop it. It's literally ice cream. If you're looking for play ice cream, I think you should get that. Next, we're gonna. I swear this thumbnails me going. I'm gonna go crazy. Oh yeah, this is it. That's open. Okay, so this is how I open it. I want. Wait, is it open? No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. Wait, because I'm all of these. No, it's my own shot. Okay. Let's do this. Let's be the last one. Let's try. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. I think squeezing is the best option. Honestly. I want and so not that we want to sometime in my backyard turn and that I both I want to I love you. I know it's not touchable. We only have one clean bag. Well, two basically because they open. So like a few hours in the car. It was so clean. This one just like the cupcake. Flop. I'm just gonna do the camera off. Okay, that's how you know. That smells so good. Wow. She would on there, such a good job. Instead, I don't know what's going on. We got another offered clean bag. That's how you know it's good. Clean bag. Well, the jumping one was a really good consistency. This smells so good. Smell it. It smells so good, right? Now we're just gonna put this back on. I'm not gonna place it a lot. I don't know how to make a thumbnail or edit, so sorry guys. nice. These usually seem basic to me, but I'm only 9 years old. I just realized when I stretch the bag, it like stretches. You should get a little brush. Like, see? It doesn't like stay in the place like the last one. But like, I'm gonna try to do. Oh no, what do I do? I think these are the best pieces I can get. Just like this. Okay, where's the plastic? How did you have that? Of course it's right here. Look, that's what I'm gonna get. That's the best consistency ever. Anyways. Wait, I'm gonna put them all back so I can show you guys how they all look. We're gonna go 1. We're gonna go 2. We're gonna go 3. We're gonna go 4. We're gonna go 5. We're gonna go 6. We're gonna go 7. We're gonna go 8. We're gonna go 9. We're gonna go 10. She was in bed, such a long said, I don't know what's going on in her head. Dang it. I didn't stay how it's supposed to. This is how it looks. Anyways, but as soon as we open, the ones we opened was Muggle cookies, chocolate, gummy fish. Oh my god, bubblegum. Bubblegum. Did we open the licorice? Licorice. Gummy bear. Cupcake. Jelly bean. Caramel. And yeah, well, that's all for today. Bye. You guys know we can't end the video without having a favorite. Wait, one. I'm from come on, but I wasn't true. I don't want to get sick. Just get home when I snuck in the and the night that someone just see my. I'll scream forever. So I like you. I know you look so good. Anyways, bye guys. Bye.